In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use the console in Replit. Think of the console, called the shell in Replit, as your command center. It lets you run commands, manage files, install packages, and interact with your project beyond what buttons and menus can do. If you've ever used a terminal, this will feel familiar. If not, don't worry, I'll keep it simple and clear. First, open your web browser and go to replit.com. If you're asked to sign in, do that so you can access your work. The home page or dashboard is where all your projects live, and from here, we'll jump into the one you want to work on. Now, head into your project. Click the project card from your dashboard to open the workspace. Give it a moment to load the editor and the standard panels. You should see your files on the left, the code editor in the middle, and depending on the template, a console or output area on the right. What we want specifically is the Replit shell, which gives you full command line access to your environment. Inside the workspace, look toward the left sidebar for the Tools and Files area. Files shows your project structure, and Tools is where Replit keeps extra utilities. Open that menu to reveal the available tools. You'll find things like packages, database in some templates, and importantly, the shell. Use the search bar within Tools or scroll the list to locate shell. It might also be labeled as console or terminal in some contexts, but in Replit, shell is the dedicated terminal experience. If you don't see it right away, try typing shell in the search field to filter the tools. Click shell to open it. It will appear as a new panel, usually at the bottom or right side of the workspace. You'll see a prompt waiting for your input. This is a live Linux environment for your project, so it understands common commands. You're now in the shell of your project and can write commands. For example, you can list files with ls, move between folders with cd, and clear the screen with clear. To install dependencies, you might run commands like pip install for Python or npm install for Node.js, depending on your project. Use the up and down arrow keys to cycle through your recent commands and copy or paste just like in any text field. Be careful with commands that remove files or rewrite history. If your project is running, some commands may wait until the process finishes, so stop the run if needed before installing or updating packages. When you're done, you can simply close the shell panel. Your project files will remain unchanged unless you made edits. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.